Hello and welcome back to the Profit Target Trading channel. Today we will dive into one of the most popular indicators in trading, VWAP. In this video, we'll discuss what the VWAP is, how it can be used in trading, its advantages and disadvantages, and a VWAP day trading strategy that you can use to potentially profit in the markets. Let's get started. First, let's talk about what the VWAP indicator is. VWAP stands for Volume Weighted Average Price. It's a technical indicator that's calculated by taking the sum of the product of the price and volume of each trade in a given time period, and dividing it by the total volume traded during that time period. In general, VWAP tends to be more effective on shorter time frames, such as intraday charts, where it can provide valuable insights into the current market sentiment and the average price. However, any time frame can be used, and it can be plotted on a chart as a line, which is often used by traders as a benchmark to assess the performance of their trades. So, how can we use VWAP in trading? Go to Indicators and type in VWAP and apply it to the chart like so. We do not use the upper and lower bands and color the VWAP yellow. In this example, we will use the 15-minute time frame on the ES mini futures. Simply put, no pun intended, when the price of a security is above the VWAP, it's considered bullish. And when the price is below the VWAP, it's considered bearish. Traders may use VWAP in conjunction with other technical indicators, such as the RSI, to confirm signals. VWAP can also be used to identify potential support and resistance levels. Now, let's talk about the advantages of using VWAP. As stated earlier, VWAP provides traders with a benchmark to compare their trades against, helping them assess their performance. VWAP can also help traders identify intraday trends and potential support and resistance levels. VWAP is a widely used indicator, making it easy for traders to find information and analysis on how it's being used by other traders. It's important to also consider the disadvantages of VWAP. The VWAP is a lagging indicator, which means it may not always provide timely signals for traders. VWAP is based on intraday data and may not be useful for longer-term traders using higher time frames. And finally, the VWAP can be influenced by large trades or block trades, which may skew the average price. Now, let's talk about a VWAP day trading strategy that you can use to potentially profit in the markets. You will buy if the price of the security crosses above VWAP and sell if the price crosses below VWAP. Use a stop-loss order to limit potential losses if the price moves against the trade. Then set a profit target at a predetermined price or percentage, such as the previous day's high or low, or a key support or resistance level. Now, if you'd like more confluences in your trade, you can use the RSI as well for further confirmation. For instance, if the price crosses above the VWAP and the RSI is above 50, enter a long. If the price crosses below the VWAP and the RSI is below 50, enter a short. Remember, no strategy is foolproof, and it's important to have a solid risk management plan in place. Always use stop-loss orders and never risk more than you can afford to lose. That concludes our VWAP trading tutorial video. We hope you found it informative and helpful in your trading journey. We'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel and socials for more trading content.